One.
Hello, my name is Jessie Rampalindanshu, and I always like to tell you the fruits and vegetables every day. It's really healthy and strong.
Very good.
And I also eat bread jam. I like bread.
So how many fruits do you eat every day?
A lot. One apple a day, one orange a day, and each day. Always the doctors say to eat 7.
Very good.
But the vegetable is always dry, and make sure to wash it every you eat it.
Before I eat it.
Yeah. And also make sure there's a lot of materials in your hand and it's really small. And make sure wash your hands every day. Make sure.
So can you tell how to wash the hand? Can you give some training?
Yeah. It first is like this. Like this. And like this. We need to do all like this every day. And also like this. And like this. Also don't get for your fingers like this.
Every single finger?
Yeah, every single finger. And also we always need to put soap in your hand ever. First we need to take some water and take some soap. And soap takes all the bacteria out, and ever you rub it, if they can cry, and put it in the water and go back to the sink.
You mean bacteria?
Yeah, bacteria.
Right.
A lot of colors on them. And it's so small.
Okay. Is that a good habit to put your fingers and hand on the face and mouth?
Nope. Not right. If you have some materials and put it in your mouth, and all the materials can come in your throat, and you can all be sick every day.
So is there anything that people can put and protect their mouth and nose?
Yeah, it's easy. You need to sneeze in your arm.
Oh, sneeze like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we need to change our clothes every week, but sneeze it sometimes.
What else?
And then make sure if you hear something, Nanu never hear something. Also, we have all the ears.
Okay.
Over here.
Are you talking about something you can cover your face?
It's easy. We can hire something or not.
No, I'm talking about a mask.
Mask. You need to put the mask on and put some sanitizer.
Very good.
And that is all the safety.
So can you tell me about some fruits and vegetable names that you eat most of the time?
Yeah. And apple, grapes, orange. I eat grapes and then I eat But my brother is really naughty and he stole my bowl. And he finishes really fast, like this. It's already so naughty. But anyway, let's start.
So what are the red color fruits you are eating?
Red blackberry and apple. There's only 2 red fruits. Strawberry, yes. Strawberry, I got it.
And any yellow fruit?
It's easy. It's banana and mango.
Very good, very good. Any green fruit?
Kiwi. And green grapes.
Green grapes, okay.
So
Is there any other color grapes?
Yeah, black grapes, white grapes. No color grapes. Only 3 grapes. Just this color match.
So guava is yellow or green or what?
Green.
Hmm.
And it's a fruit.
Hmm.
Always, sometimes.
So, what are the vegetables you used to eat?
It's really easy. You need to cut it and make some bites and eat it.
Okay.
That's-
Chop, little bit, cook, and eat.
Yeah, I bet.
So, what are the green vegetables you are eating? Your super favorite one.
My favorite is kiwi.
Kiwi is a fruit. I'm talking about the vegetable.
Green pepper.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, my favorite fruit is orange and strawberry. That's why. And look at my hand. It's gone. I got it. It's on my t-shirt. And what is the next step?
Next step is you need to tell how you make a tea for Dada.
It's really easy. First, you need to put lachi, putty, and more ingredients. And don't forget, first, you need to make the start. First, put some water.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want some? I can make some tea in the video, okay? Let's start to make it.
Okay.